The city will not evict thousands of migrants from city-run shelters tomorrow, as was the previous plan.
This as a measles outbreak, where most of the cases are traced back to the city's largest migrant shelter, continues. CBS 2's Sabrina Franza has the latest details on this new plan from the city's landing zone. Sabrina.
Erica, the city says this change is a testament to their commitment to an ongoing, evolving crisis. Now, anybody who's been staying at the Pilsen shelter will not have to leave that shelter for at least the 21-day quarantine they think will help contain the spread of measles. There are 30 people who are staying across the city's other shelters that received notice today that they will have to pack up their things and move out by Sunday. Those who are expected to leave the city-run migrant shelters will have to find their own way back to the city's landing zone should they decide to reapply for a bed within the city's network. There are many exceptions to this new rule the city announced today. In light of bed availability, families in shelter will receive up to 3 30-day extensions, which keeps families with children in the same place up until the end of the school year. Asylum seekers can also apply for extensions if they are in the process of securing permanent housing and can show proof of that process. For mental health reasons, they can apply disability, pregnancy, or for another medically based reason. That includes quarantine, which applies to those in the Pilsen shelter, where 10 of the 12 measles cases detected in the city of Chicago have been traced back to. All new arrivals just getting to the city will also now be required to get the measles vaccine before moving in to city-run shelters. We sat down with the city's top doctor to find out why she believes this new plan might put an end to the outbreak.
Our priority right now is to safeguard the health of the new arrivals. So while people are still in that interim phase before the vaccine becomes fully effective, we want to keep them in quarantine so that they are not exposed to more measles cases and get sick.
And coming up on the CBS 2 News at 5 p.m., we're breaking down just how many asylum seekers can expect to have to move out of shelters by the end of the month and what happens to them after they're no longer able to stay in city shelters. We're live at the city's landing zone. Sabrina Franza, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Sabrina.